Hello and welcome back to Avyann ChatFlow. In this video, we'll show you how to create and send a WhatsApp campaign using Avyann ChatFlow. After logging into your dashboard, click on Campaigns from the left menu. This will open the Campaigns page. Click on Create Campaign to start a new campaign. Enter a meaningful campaign name so you can easily identify it later. Upload your Excel file containing customer numbers or add recipients manually. Make sure every mobile number includes the correct country code. Once you've added your recipients, click Continue to proceed to the next step. Select the approved WhatsApp template that you want to send to your customers. Review the template details before continuing. Now click Blast Off to send your campaign. Your campaign will be submitted successfully and message delivery will begin. To check the campaign status, click Actions next to the campaign and select View Report. The report displays detailed campaign statistics including sent, delivered, read, failed, and other delivery statuses, allowing you to monitor your campaign performance in real time. That's it. You've successfully created, sent, and tracked a WhatsApp campaign using Avyann ChatFlow. Thank you for watching.